Hello, everyone. Just a few seconds. Unfortunately, I'm the only one of the chairs and tech leads who is here today. So I think today's meeting will get pretty short if no one of you has some topics. The first thing for today. So Jennifer added some notes for me or for us here. So the first thing is that Backstage applied for incubation. Currently, we are waiting for a TOC sponsor to get the information that we can start, and afterwards, I've started to take a look at Backstage and try to get a bit more familiar with the product. And yes, therefore, as soon as we get the information that we can start, then we will start. I think, Matthew, you are from Spotify, aren't you?
I'm from Spotify, and I did some work on Backstage as well, but I'm not part of the Backstage team.
Oh, okay. So this would have been my second question if you know more about Backstage, but yes, then I'll ping your colleagues at some point in time.
Cool. Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay. So another thing which has been written here was that we committed the virtual talks for the KubeCon virtual. So I think we are present there. Then another thing which is pretty new is that we have a TOC sponsor for Captain. So this is also making some progress at the moment. And furthermore, I'm not sure if we have some progress from the other working group. So Karthik, I think you are from the Chaos Engineering working group, aren't you?
Hi, Thomas. Yes,
hello.
I'm from the Chaos Engineering working group. We made some more progress in terms of the charter and the initial plan or mode of working. So I'm just sharing the meeting notes document for the Chaos Engineering working group here. One of the things that we've been planning on is getting users to present on how they have approached chaos engineering and what the hurdles were, how they started it and what they're doing right now and how they're progressing, what their future plans are. So one of the goals of the working group is to create the white paper on the basis of some learnings that we get from the community. And there is a template, a slide deck that we've sort of created for users to sort of fill in and present during the working group sessions, maybe for 15-20 minutes. And then the idea is to create a first draft before KubeCon NA based on the information that we have. We have some folks from SIG Security joining us who have come forward to place some information about chaos engineering from a security standpoint. So there are topics identified that we can all fill asynchronously and discuss progress during the working group calls. Starting next meeting this Friday, we will have some presentations coming in from users and learn more about how they're approaching chaos engineering. That's the plan going forward.
Okay, sounds like great progress. Okay, so yes, then I think we have a second working group which is not really established at the moment. But as Josh is already also here and he has made a lot of things in the charter there, I just wanted to ask if it makes if some of you things make sense that we start with working group meetings for the cooperative delivery working group, and yes, if you have an idea when we should start and so on. So it seems like you want to start.
Well, I mean, if you're asking me, I'm interested.
You're pretty quiet.
Can you
So I
hear me?
can.
Is that working? Oh, maybe my mic isn't working. Microphone. Is my mic not working?
Yeah, now it's you are a bit louder, yes.
Okay, I'll try to. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll try this. No, I mean, I want to participate because I definitely see the problem that coordinating ephemeral or dynamic or programmable infrastructure and apps. I mean, I can think of some things that we might do to begin with. I guess I haven't really thought about, I'm learning what these working groups might do. Maybe the first thing we do is start to define the current state, what's available, in the roughest way, just bash scripts to combine things, but then things like DAPR, OAM, and things that might help. I don't know that maybe. So I'm brainstorming what we would talk about in such a meeting. But if that makes sense, then I don't know if it's just me and you, Thomas, that are going to want to talk about it, but I think we can. I'm ready to work.
Okay. Then I'll try to make an appointment, I think next week or the week after. I'll talk to Alex afterwards. And I tried to build some kind of a prototype using Terraform, Captain, and so on. And just a short spoiler, it worked. And I might have something to present in this meeting. And therefore, yes, we can try to set something up there, even if we don't have all of the necessary QC votes. I think one or two are still missing, but hopefully we'll also get them in the near future. Okay, then yes, then I'll set up the meeting for that. Yes, are there any points from your perspective we should discuss here today?
I mean, I'll do my usual and say I've got a couple PRs open on Potato Head, but I need to update them. I think.
Are there?
I'll get to those in the next couple of days. I'm still working on that, but I've been I finally got the GitHub Action working properly, and so now
Okay.
I'll go back, edit the 2 pending PRs, and then continue on my way down the list.
Okay, then I'll take a look on them afterwards and approve them.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
I'll tag you once I do a quick review.
Okay, so then I think today will be a short meeting, or is a short meeting. So I think we'll get back about 40 minutes, hopefully. And yes, thank you for attending today. I hope the next day the next meeting will take longer. Yes, and have a nice Wednesday.
You too, Thomas.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.